The 2026 Audi Motorhome is a striking blend of luxury, innovation, and functionality designed to redefine road travel. Built with the precision and craftsmanship that Audi is known for, it seamlessly merges the comfort of a high-end home with the performance and engineering of a premium automobile. Its exterior design follows Audi's latest design language, incorporating smooth aerodynamic lines, a bold grille, and sleek LED lighting that give it a modern and sophisticated presence on the road. The body is constructed from lightweight yet durable materials, ensuring improved fuel efficiency without compromising strength or safety. Large panoramic windows not only enhance the sleek appearance but also flood the interior with natural light, creating an open and inviting atmosphere. Inside, the 2026 Audi Motorhome offers a spacious and meticulously crafted living environment. Every surface, fabric, and finish reflects Audi's commitment to luxury and detail. The interior layout maximizes space, featuring an elegant lounge area with ergonomic seating, a fully equipped kitchen with state-of-the-art appliances, and a comfortable sleeping area that rivals a high-end hotel suite. Advanced climate control ensures optimal comfort in any weather, while noise insulation provides a peaceful environment even during travel. Smart storage solutions are integrated throughout, making long trips more organized and convenient. One of the standout features is the fully digital cockpit that integrates seamlessly with Audi's latest MMI infotainment system. This includes a large central touchscreen, voice-activated controls, and connectivity options that keep travelers in touch with the world. Navigation is enhanced with real-time traffic updates, 3D mapping, and route optimization specifically tailored for large motorhomes. A premium sound system transforms the living space into an entertainment hub, and multiple USB-C ports along with wireless charging pads keep devices powered at all times. The driving experience is another area where the 2026 Audi Motorhome sets itself apart. Under the hood, buyers can expect a powerful yet efficient hybrid drivetrain that combines traditional combustion with electric assistance, ensuring strong acceleration while keeping emissions and fuel consumption low. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system offers exceptional traction and stability in various road conditions, whether cruising on highways or exploring remote locations. Adaptive air suspension adjusts automatically for a smooth ride, even when the road gets rough. Driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system make handling this larger vehicle stress-free and safe. Safety is paramount in this model, with advanced systems like collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking support working together to protect occupants. Night vision assist with pedestrian and animal detection adds an extra layer of security during nighttime travel. The vehicle also features an energy recovery system that charges the onboard batteries during braking, contributing to greater efficiency. Energy management is a key focus for the 2026 Audi Motorhome. Solar panels integrated into the roof help power onboard systems, reducing reliance on external charging sources. The battery storage system is capable of supporting extended off-grid stays, powering kitchen appliances, climate control, and entertainment systems without needing to start the engine. Water filtration systems allow for cleaner water on the go, and eco-friendly waste management options reflect Audi's commitment to sustainability. Customization is another strength of this model. Buyers can select from various interior themes, materials, and layouts to match their personal style and travel needs. From minimalist modern to warm and cozy, there are options for every preference. High-end accessories like an extendable side awning, integrated outdoor cooking station, and expandable storage compartments further enhance the travel experience. In summary, the 2026 Audi Motorhome delivers a harmonious balance between performance, comfort, technology, and sustainability. It is not just a vehicle but a luxury travel companion that turns long journeys into memorable adventures. Its combination of advanced driving systems, premium interiors, and eco-conscious innovation